I'm like, what she put?
Alright,
Like,
so as you know, every month at DGHF we do a monthly challenge for our members only. So that's a member perk. And last month for what was it, Thanksgiving sweater challenge, we every member needed to accomplish 4,000 calories burned in a week. So that was over 550 calories a day on average. So Miss Devon Holloway accomplished that with the highest completion of the challenge.
Oh my goodness.
So she went above and beyond and really exerted herself, and she also lost the weight to show that as well. But we're giving her a $200 gift certificate to Colonial Cleaning Company. So now someone's gonna come and clean her house.
I need it, Lord!
Yes. For Christmas or whenever she wants to use it. So
Yay! Oh my God!
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
So
Go kill back.
So if you want to be a part of this, then you need to come over here to Demand Great Health and Fitness, because not only do we give back to the community, because we also donated over 1,300 pounds of food to the food bank before Thanksgiving as well. So we also donate to our members. So make sure you guys come down here, burn the calories, and win prizes at the same time. It really doesn't get much better than that. Because if you pay $200 in the pot and you get it back, well, shoot then. So this is Demand Great Health and Fitness. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you sign up today.
Be great.